location of the plant is key, simply because it is in an area where we have a lot of limestone, over 2 billion tons of limestone. So the raw material is there, the quality is very good. The main thing for me is to be able to set up factories, plants that we can source our raw materials here in Nigeria locally. That is the key thing. More than anything, for me, is the impact, social impact. You create a lot of jobs, you use resources, that we have there, and then you save so much money for the country, in terms of foreign exchange. You have everything that we need to set up most of these factories.
There are many things that are unique about this plant. One of them is the multi-fuel design of the plant. It can operate 100% on coal or 100% on heavy fuel oil, or a mixture anywhere in between these two.
Initially there were challenges, in terms of energy. Now we have a brand new coal mill, which we are which we are using already, in fact, to fire the kiln. So that has substantially reduced the cost of energy.
The preheater tower has a precalciner there. Calcination is around 95 to 97% in the precalciner. That makes energy efficiency in the kiln extremely high, and so consequently we should be able to save quite a lot of money in the process of burning clinker.
The limestone deposit there is huge, and also the quality is very good. Sokoto cement is very unique. This is why it is the preferred brand of cement.
The customer in the end will be happier because he will get better quality product made by a highly motivated and skilled workforce. We do not take half measures on quality issues.
We are doing quite a lot in terms of CSR to ensure that we develop the community. They have supported us, they keep supporting us. We are in fact going to set up a fund, that will be able to, set up schools, and build hospitals and so many things, because to me it is important. So we must give back to the community.
So gaskiya mu za mu ga amfana kwarai da gaske a wannan sabon plan wanda aka yi a ƙarƙashin wannan gunduma tawa, wanda a can da mun samu abubuwa a cibi da yawa, wanda ya zama to gashi yanzu an samu babban kamfani wanda abin da take hiye da wanda yayi wancan. Don haka muna tsammanin Allah samu ci gaba hiye da inda aka fito ga wannan sabon kamfani.
I'm a student from Usman Danfodiyo University, Sokoto. I'm studying BSc Nursing, 200 level. The company is taking care of my food, transport, handouts, and also my school fees.
This company is taking so many things from me. That's from school fees, my transportation, buying books and handouts. If not for this scholarship, it will have been difficult for me to be in school. So I'm so happy as a girl child to have this opportunity.
I'm representing my community, my family, and also the company. Inshallah, I will not let them down.
Any Nigerian that is in a position, to help and to do more for his community should do that. And that has always been, my vision, to be able to use whatever we have locally in terms of resources and develop this country.